Do you want to know how to dispute a transaction on your Bank of America and get your money back quickly? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access the bankofamerica.com on your website, and once you're in, you will see at the top right corner of your screen this section. You just have to click on the Contact Us, and once you're in, you will see a bunch of options, which is contact us about Bank of America, account changes, and such. But as you can see above, you will see the quick access to their convenient digital solutions, which is what we are going to do. To dispute an ATM/debit card transaction or dispute a credit card transaction. So you can just choose either the two of it and you are now good to go. That's how you dispute a transaction on your Bank of America.